May I plead the losses? Admission, hearing item 16, my lord. But kindly we adjourn, with the consent of other side, my lord. Kindly adjourn for the day. Any day of the next week, my lord.
Why you want adjournment?
My lord, in this case, my lord, the party has engaged another set of counsel, my lord. So, my lord, only next day, any day of the next week.
Whom have they engaged?
AK
Prakash. Your good name?
B. Rahman.
Mis-
16.
Mr. B. Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioners have engaged Mr. A.K. Prukashta.
Yes.
He's not a senior counsel, is it?
He's not senior counsel.
A.K. Prukashta to appear on their behalf. And therefore, he prays for a week's time on his behalf. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for a week and be listed on a date to be fixed by the registry.
High level.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. For adjournment of the day, Your Lordship. My senior is having some difficulty, Your Lordship.
Who is your senior?
M. Chaudhary.
Mr. M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, he said to have some personal difficulty to appear before the court today. On a prayer made on his behalf, matter stands passed over for the day. Have you informed the other side?
Yes.
There are some private respondents also.
Yes, I have informed the other side.
May please. I'm paying for listing of a IL Lordship implement petition, but Lordship, item number 22, that case has been fixed to the Lordship. If the opposite party has no objection, Lordship, that may be tagged with this I implement IL Lordship.
When did you file it?
I filed on 6, Lordship.
It'll come up in some other day.
Some other day, but with this matter, Lordship. Item number 22.
We'll adjourn 22 and mention about your IA. What is your name?
D. Mohanta.
For which party?
For applicant in IA.
And in the writ petition?
Indian petition, no, Lordship. Implement. IA has been filed.
No, in the writ petition, are you a party?
No. For party, I have filed IA.
We are for the petition, they have
Yes.
served us a copy, man.
Hmm.
We are for the petition, they served us a copy. However, that I has not been tagged along with.
Next week?
They are yet to appear, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, man.
They are yet to appear. Then item 22, you write, it is submitted at the bar that an application for impeachment has been filed in the instant case by an interested party. And since the same is not tagged along with this writ petition, a prayer has been made that the matter be listed again after a week along with the IA. Registry to verify and list the matter with the said IA after a week on a date to be fixed by it. All right.
I have an interim order in the.
Hmm?
I have an interim order in the petition.
Still today only.
Yeah, it will till returnable date.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. Item number 2, I may be withdrawn, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, since all the benefits that has been received by the client, Lordship.
Your good name?
D. Sharma. Deva Sharma.
Mr. D. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has got the relief and therefore would not like to press the matter. In view of above, the petition stands disposed of as withdrawn.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, and the matter will be sent for the mediation.
Yes, who is there for the other side?
I am for elementary education department.
Should we send it for referral?
My lord,
We send it for referral.
my lord.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the matter may be sent to the mediation center for mediation. Stopping view of above, registry to place the matter before the mediation center on priority basis.
Nice.
My lord, here, my lord, petitioner, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw, my lord, because there are some subsequent development, my lord. Here, my lord, petitioner has 3 sisters, my lord. The director pension has already sanctioned the pension, my lord, to the youngest one, my lord. But what happened, my lord, at the time of death of the petitioner's father, my lord, petitioner was also a minor, my lord. She is also entertained. So, my lord, I may be allowed to come up with new case, my lord.
Mr. S. Hawk,
My lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as there are certain developments in the matter, he may be permitted to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Anyone? Ms. S. Gowar, learned dominant advocate, appears for the
Director pension,
respondent number 5. While Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, appears for respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they have no objection. In view of above, the petition stands dismissed as withdrawn with liberty to file afresh, each side best.
my lord. Appellate.
Yes.
But matter may be referred it to the matter mediation.
Okay. Similar order. That like item 1, same order.
My lord, kindly pay the order dated 6/3/24 pension. 6/3/2024. Till date, my lord, pension has not been regularized.
Here, your lordship, instruction is here, but it is long back time. 5/3/2024 instruction is here. That return, your lordship, service book was not able to traced out, your lordship. Therefore, the directory, your lordship, has issued necessary instruction, your lordship, to reconstruct the service book in respect of Abdul Saman, who is expired at Ernest, your lordship. I would like to place it.
Just a minute. Who has asked for the reconstruction?
Your lordship, director, your lordship,
To whom? Directed to whom?
the authority, other authorities, your lordship, concerned
No,
authorities.
the letters,
They have to reconstruct the service book.
correct. Who's their other authorities?
Inspector of schools.
Inspector of school. Director has written to the inspector of schools
Yes, your
for reconstruction. That means what? Respondent number 5.
respondent 5.
4 has written to 5. Is it that so?
Because your lordship, verification of necessary documents is necessary.
That's what you said. Who has written to whom? That's what I'm asking. 4 has written to 5.
Lordship, I had already given your lordship, no other copy is there. Yes, sir.
So give to her. So don't hand over just like that. You tell me.
Even my lord, 10 days time was given in this order.
Okay, this is one thing, but the reason it's listed today is for referral. Are the parties agreeable?
No, it cannot be referred.
It cannot be
There
referred.
is no dispute. It is government. The petitioner, there is no dispute, no second wife. Petitioner is the only person entitled, only the wife of deceased. This wrongly accepts the statement for referral. It's not a matter of to be referred. My lord.
What are you claiming? Pension?
Pension, regularization of pension, my lord. I was paid provisional since long back, when it's 2020.
Yes, your lordship. Inspector of schools has written, your lordship, to the directorate, your lordship,
For?
regarding the all regarding the letter, your lordship,
For?
that has forwarded. And it was submitted a detailed report wherein it was mentioned that corrected name of the family pension holder should be Sokila Beva. Name is also corrected, and thereafter, your lordship, necessary order for construction of service book in respect of Abdul Sohan, expired 80 of erstwhile Sonahat Senior Madrasa Dhubri, husband of the petitioners Srimati Sokila Beva. Hence, the necessary steps shall be taken by this directorate.
When was it written? Date?
It was long back, your lordship, 5/3/2024. I may allow to take the fresh instruction, your lordship,
Okay.
regarding that portrayal, your lordship, Kritagata portal.
Please write, parties are represented by the respective councils, and they submit that having regard to the issue involved, the matter may not be sent for mediation. Full stop. Ms. P. Das Lanet, the Standing Council, Secondary Education, submits that the respondent number 4 had written to respondent number 5 for preparation of for rectification of the service book of late Abdus Sobhan for further necessary action. But she is not aware about the up-to-date status, since such instruction was given way back on 5/3/2024. 5/3/2024. Full stop. She therefore submits that she may be given 2 weeks' time to come up with up-to-date instructions. Prayers allowed. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, the date may be given. It is a pension matter. my lord.
Yes, registry will give a date after 2 weeks. All right.
I'm deeply obliged.
And
Mediation. You want mediation?
I have instruction from my client that the governing body has taken some certain decisions after with regard to this present matter. So probably that has been communicated to government. If it comes to the government matter, probably it may be settled here itself. No issue remain further. So probably that instruction has not been received by my plan.
You settle it there, settle it
It
there.
can be settled there.
It'll be posted
Yes.
there and party will be
Yes,
there.
yes.
It'll be much easier.
Not so many things.
Similar order like item 1, okay? Yes.
Fixing some debt, giving.
No, if go to the center, they will fix it according to the thing, because we don't know what is the routine there. But it'll be on urgent basis.
Yes.
Definitely.
Notified to the.
Parties will be notified. Definitely, all the steps will be taken.
Obviously, yes.
Made pension of lordship. The family pension for the unmarried daughter lordship. Lordship may send it for mediation lordship. The instruction.
Okay. Like item 1, same order.
Obliged.
Mr. Lordship, this matter is wrongly listed on this honorable court lordship, and we list the matter on appropriate bench,
Which is the appropriate bench?
bench 3 lordship,
Service matter.
lordship.
Just a minute, what is the claim here? Please write down, it is submitted at the bar that this is a bench 3 matter and has been wrongly listed before this court. Stop registry to verify and proceed accordingly.
Please, your lordship. It's a pension matter, lordship. I am praying for the regularization of pension, lordship. I was retired on 31st/3/2024, but my pension is not regularized till date, lordship.
Should it be sent for mediation?
Your lordship, the matter remains under examination, your lordship, as per the instructions.
Lordship, at least the pension file could have been sent to AG if any and it's dealing with the excess drawal of salary. But if anything, if it's,
Yes, I understand, but my question was, can it be settled through mediation? Should we refer it? It is under that column today. Whether or not to refer.
Lordship,
Parties will be there, then on the spot, you can all sort it out if you want to. Because again, she will have to obtain instructions. Instructions will have to be communicated to her. She'll again inform the court.
Lordship, but the thing is, the petitioner, he's saying that at least if the file is sent to AG, then it's up to them if they decide so.
What is the instruction? Otherwise, Ms. Pita?
Your Lordship, that it was under examination. One hearing has already been concluded, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, the committee has found that matter has sent to government, Your Lordship, with office dated so and so 8/4/2025, seeking necessary instruction, Your Lordship. And the matter is still under examination.
Okay, I think we'll send it. Okay, if nothing happens, it'll come back here only. It'll be done in urgent basis. Mhm. Same order as item 1.
With your vote.
No, that's same pair, my lord. Writ appeal is pending. It will be going to be heard in the month of September. Appeal is pending. That is page 22, para 26, Lordship, kindly peruse. It is fixed by the court number 1 to be
Which-
listed in the month of September.
No date, is it?
No
Yes, no.
date, no date.
Ms. K. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a similar matter is pending before the Root Appellate Court. That is WA number 187 of 2023, which is due to be listed in the month of September 2025.
After 4 weeks.
Stop, she submits that since the outcome of the writ appeal will have a bearing on the instant writ petition. She prays that the instant case may be listed again after 4 weeks. Miss B. Dega, learned standing counsel, elementary education, agrees with the submission.
Madam, kindly be checked with the petition number 1147/2022. Because on Friday it has come.
In view of above,
1147/2022.
list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry, along with WPC number 1147 of 2022.
Yeah, nice.
Or maybe refer for mediation.
No. Because we are already illegally appointed teacher and they cannot claim for the pension benefit member. They are appointed as a only tutor man. So minor friendly mathematics of practice to the mediation.
Have you filed?
In this case.
They have filed, I have not filed reply, madam.
You want to file reply
Yes, yes.
as paid for by the learned counsel for the, no, we write like this. The learned, Miss N. Fukan, and Miss N. Fukan. Learned standing counsel, elementary education submits that the matter may not be sent for mediation. Since it is the case of the respondents that the petitioner has been illegally appointed. Stop counsel for the petitioner seeks 2 weeks time to file reply affidavit to the counter-affidavit filed by the department, whereas allowed. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Stop petitioner to file rejoinder in the meantime.
Ablash.
Yeah.
Where is Mrs. K. Devi? She has left. Cancel matter also. Oh, you are there? Yes, Lord. Why is it listed? Oh, okay, this is for mediation, isn't it?
Lordship.
Should it be referred?
So already he retired. Not specially before mediation, Lordship.
Okay, item 1, say about it.
I refer to the mediation lordship because she already retired lordship and for that to enable her to get some.
All right, all right. Similar order in item 1.
Any dates are.
Date will be given by them. Notice have to go also.
Lordship.
Okay.
Or lordship.
Matter pertains to Lordship provincialized and they are supposed to file affidavit.
In this matter, we have received our instruction, my lord. So kindly send this or 2 weeks may be granted.
1 week.
10 days maybe?
1 week is too short.
Yes, 10 days.
What is the system? You draft the affidavit and send for vetting,
Yes,
or directly you file?
yes. After signing, I will have it. After signing, they send to me and then,
No, the instructions you have received, you draft your affidavit, isn't it?
yes.
Then you file it, isn't it?
Then
Or you-
I have
or
to
you-
send, I have to send the department.
Or you send it back again?
Signature, yes.
You send it back to the department?
Yes. For signature.
Signature only, not for vetting.
Yes, rating.
Vetting also.
For them.
Okay. Ms. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Secondary Education Department, submits that he has received the instructions and prays for 10 days time to file the counter affidavit. Prayers allowed. List the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. The Secondary Education Department shall file their counter affidavit in the meantime. From Mr. A. Dekal, learned counsel appears for the petitioner.
Appellate.
Here we have.
Several dates have been taken for filing affidavit. Otherwise, the matter is covered.
Hmm.
The last chance may be given.
We have received the instruction, let us file our affidavit.
No, but they have not filed affidavit. Let them file
I
affidavit.
have received it
When will you file it?
within 10 days, man.
Okay.
And the date may be fixed.
Mr. P.K. Bora,
My lord.
Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department submits that he has received the instructions and he may be granted 10 days time to file the same. And 10 days time to file the counter affidavit. Praise the Lord. This matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
For
The,
admission hearing, my lord, can be disposed of.
after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry for admission hearing. The Elementary Education Department shall file the counter affidavit on or before the next date. Right. Mr. B. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, appears for the petitioners.
Deeply.
It is a lordship.
Hmm.
Here, my lord, the petitioner is praying for direction to the respondent number 5, the university.
Before that, my lord, actually, on the last, by the last order, I was directed to obtain instruction from university, my lord. Whether the certificate issue, but issue to the other candidates, has been issued back or not.
Hmm.
That therefore, I have received that reply, my lord.
No, by which order you were supposed to get the
Yeah,
instruction?
my lord.
Is it order dated 6/5/25?
But
6/5/25.
you may think matter of the whole matter is submitted before that, when I did CBI court, my lord. Against the petition, petition, my lord. Altogether, 17 candidates, sir.
That is a different aspect, my lord.
This matter may be kept pending until the final decision,
My lord,
decision of the CBI case, my lord. They are pursued, the matter is pending before the CBI court. They are prepared this effort. Any is pursuing, my lord. Registered it will not be possible to issue this certificate, my lord, to the petitioner as paid for, my lord. Because the entire matter is pending before the special court, my lord, in special judge. CBI case, my lord.
Okay, what is the matter about?
My lord, here what happened, my lord? The petitioner passed an MBBS course, my lord, in 2010 itself.
MBBS.
MBBS, my lord. What happened, my lord? There is 15% central quota, my lord, that was surrendered to the state. So, my lord, she filed a representation, letter requesting, my lord, to allot one seat. Accordingly, she was given seat and she got admission, my lord, in the Assam Medical College in the year 2001 and 2002, my lord. At the fag end of their, my lord, MBBS final year course, they were issued a notice, my lord, by the university that the mode of admission to that is not proper, my lord, that your letter of recommendation or allotment is under cloud. Accordingly, notice was issued, my lord, to them. In the meantime, their name, her name, along with some other students, my lord, were also struck off from the road. So, they approached this honorable court. Honorable court interfered with the order also, my lord, that struck off their names. And in the meantime, my lord, if I may just take your lordship to page 73, that is the typed copy, my lord. And the decision of the government, my lord. 73, lordship. That is the typed copy, my lord. May I just read, my lord?
Yes.
Yes. The class, second paragraph from the bottom, my lord. These are the names, my lord, whose students' name, my lord, whose names were struck off from the roll from the different medical colleges. Government, after careful consideration of all aspects of the matter and keeping in mind the representation made by some of them to the government of Assam and the petitions filed by some of them before the Honorable Court Guwahati and the Juvenile Justice was Silchar with orders thereon have decided as follows. All the above 14 students shall be allowed to resume their studies and complete the course. Provisional degree and registration will also be granted to them. And after completion of the course, subject to cancellation if necessary, in the light of the final verdict of the court in the case filed with the CBI. So, the matter was investigated by the CBI. In the meantime, the government of Assam allowed them to resume their course. Accordingly, they appeared in their final examination. They passed the same, did their internship also, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, they are also granted provisional registration. After provisional registration, my lord, lordship will kindly peruse page 98, my lord. This is Annexure 15. The lordship has got it, my lord, 98. That is the registration, full and final registration, which has been issued by the Assam Medical Council for registration, my lord.
How many petitioners before this court? One.
Only one. Only one. Because, my lord, other two students who were also, my lord, who also approached this honorable court were given on the basis of the same order, my lord, were issued by the university their original pass certificate, my lord, and everything which were required, my lord, for pursuing their career, my lord. So after that, my lord, she approached the university that since I have received all this, I have passed my MBBS registration has also been given. Kindly issue me the certificate, my lord, which are necessary for pursuing my career, my lord. Page 16 is the order, my lord.
Page?
60, sorry, my lord. Annexure 16, page 99.
What is this order?
My lord, I filed a representation, my lord, before the authorities.
Okay, what is this case?
The 868, my lord, 868, lordship will find the order in the page. 868 starts from page 90, my lord. That writ petition we filed because, my lord, we are not after my lord completion of our internship, we were not allotted with the final registration. So this court directed that final registration should be given to the petitioner, my lord. There were other petitioners also, my lord. They filed separate writ petition and similar orders were granted, my lord. It starts from page 93, my lord. The court also, my lord, relied on the, as per the instruction of the then my lord sending counsel, lordship in 94, that notification which just I have read, my lord.
Registration is subject to the outcome of CBI case.
Yes, my lord.
That is the order.
Yes, my lord, that 15 page, annexure 15 page 98, my lord, thereafter I was also allotted the final registration, my lord.
So that was after the disposal of the
Yes, yes,
petition. 18,316.
Yes, my lord. 18/16, my lord.
Then
Then
31.
we approach the authority, my lord.
Oh.
That since the other candidates are also issued, my lord, you find my representation at page.
No, what is this page 99? It says you may apply provisional pass certificate.
Yes.
You don't have that pass certificate.
No, my lord, pass certificate provisionally we have applied, that was given, my lord.
Registration is given on what basis?
Registration is given, my lord, because I have completed the course, my lord. Internship has also been completed, my lord. That is why I have been given full and final registration.
No. You completed, but what is there to show your completion?
Because my lord, I passed the MBBS.
Any document to show your completion, mark sheet or something?
My lord, registration is given only after passing out of the internship and.
Correct.
completion.
So what is the document which shows that you have passed? On the strength of some certain document, registration is done, isn't it?
Yes,
That is,
What is that document?
that-
that date, available on the F page 96, my lord. There is the order of the government of order dated 14/12/2010, my lord.
No, understood, lordship, sir.
In the middle part of also, my lord. All the above said 14 students shall be allowed to resume their studies and complete the course. Provisional, their degree and registration may also be granted to them after completion of the course, subject to cancellation if necessary in the light of the final verdict of the court in the case number filed by the CBI.
Correct. So my question is, what is the document
79, my lord.
to show that you have completed the course?
Annexure 11, page 79, my lord.
79.
Yes, issued by the, my lord, respond number 5, Principal Assam Medical College, 79. Lordship has got it, my lord.
Yes, this
Final MBBS, my lord.
this is to certify that so and so, so and so. Pass the final. This is a pass certificate, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
A certificate which shows that you have passed the final MBBS. So on this basis, they gave you the provisional certificate.
Provisional certificate. After,
Correct. Now, why have you filed this writ petition? What is your prayer?
my lord, prayer for issuing me the original certificate so that, my lord, I can at least arrange a job, my lord. See,
But that is a conditional certificate, isn't it? Provisional degree and registration.
Certificate was issued, my lord, as per the order of this court, my lord. Provision certificate was issued, but the final certificate could not be issued because of the.
CBI
of the
case.
CBI case, my lord.
Correct. So see, this court also in your writ petition,
yes, my lord.
that is WPC 868,
866.
disposed of by order dated 18/3/2016, took into consideration the order passed by the
Government,
Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department, wherein it has been stated that all the 14 students shall be allowed to resume their studies and complete the course. Provisional degree and registration may also be granted after completion of the course, subject to cancellation if necessary in the light of the final verdict of the court. In the cases filed by the CBI. So in terms of this, court says that within 45 days, give the registration. You have been given the registration
They will give in.
and
provisional certificate, my lord, we have been given. That lordship has seen, my lord, at page 79, my lord.
hmm, 79.
Yes, madam.
You have got the registration also.
Yes, final registration also be given, madam.
So this is a provisional certificate, isn't it?
Yes, madam.
Page 79.
79.
This is a provisional certificate. Yes, provisional internship certificate. On this basis, you had been given the registration. So now you want the final registration.
Final registration given, madam.
Right.
Final registration is the page 98. Final registration is also given, madam.
Final registration given. Then what else do you
Original
want?
pass certificate, madam, without which I am unable to secure anything, madam. I am now jobless, madam. I am a MBBS qualified doctor, madam. It is not that, madam. Here the question is that my mode of obtaining degree is not in question. Only thing is the procedure through which I got the admission, madam. They are saying the letter of allotment issued to the petitioner is not genuine, madam, and that is under trial. That is under trial.
You want the original pass certificate?
Yes, madam. And madam, it will not have. And that is always, madam, subject to the verdict of the madam, CBI case, madam. Assuming, madam. Madam, considering the tenure of the students, madam, the government also allowed us to complete the course, madam.
That earlier writ petition was limited to registration only.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Only limited to registration.
Now this is for final
Final pass certificate.
pass certificate.
Yes. Since, madam, the two other students also, madam, of the same university, they are also given, madam, the
That we have said, madam.
certificate and other.
That was issued, madam. For that, we have taken a steps for the inquiry of the certificate, the pass certificate, madam, from the candidate, madam. That we have in the.
Oh, so that is the instruction that was required. Okay.
No reference, nothing, madam, has been mentioned in this. I have been regularly paying before this court, madam. They filed this affidavit. Their affidavit in opposition, madam, not filed.
Juti Tara Das and Aviral Vatsa.
Filed.
They were given the original final certificate.
Yes,
Pass
yes,
certificate.
yes, madam.
By in advertisement, that was issued, madam.
Not in. Only,
So,
madam,
but what steps have you taken to get back?
nothing, madam.
Madam,
What steps have you taken, Mr. Das,
the pass certificate, madam.
to get back that final certificate?
The final pass certificate,
What steps have you taken? If it was inadvertently issued,
madam.
then
We are following this, madam. Because of the answer matter is that submitted before the CBI court, madam. If I find a verdict, madam. It's a serious matter, madam, but by manipulating the official records and by playing fraud, madam, they got their admission, madam, in the against the central government quota, madam. That is the case, madam.
That is on trial, madam.
see,
Sir.
whether it was by illegal means or by fraud, they have obtained the seats.
No.
Is being looked into by the criminal case, that CBI case.
Madam.
In the meantime, we have issued the final certificate to 2 persons, which you say it was inadvertently issued.
Issued, madam.
If so, what steps have you taken to recover it?
So we made a request to the person to whom this certificate was inadvertently issued, madam. We have issued the letter, madam, but they are not returning the certificate, madam.
You cancel it there.
That can be, that we do
You
it.
cancel it. They may not come and give you back.
Now,
Say that this is whatever it was issued on this day, this stands cancelled. You can do that.
The whole matter is submitted before the.
Otherwise, today the petitioner will say that 2 people have got it,
But
rightly
that-
or wrongly. I should also get it.
Madam.
Pending final decision, I should get it. Why should I be deprived of my job?
Right.
Isn't it?
Madam, in 2016, to my knowledge, instruction, my knowledge, they were given this original pass certificate, madam. And when we approached this honorable court, then only, madam, in 2023, that plea was taken by the responding authorities. Lordship will find there at page 105, running page of their affidavit, that we have taken steps. Thereafter, also, my lord, the court directed that what steps have been taken, you intimate the court.
Anyway, see, what has happened to the CBI case?
My lord, it is under
Is it a
evidence,
continuing?
evidence, stage, my lord.
Evidence stage, my lord.
40 witnesses are to be examined, my lord, and 42 documents are there.
And how many have been examined so far?
My lord, 8 to 10, my lord, I'm not sure.
8 to 10.
Yes, my lord. It
It's
will
gonna take some time.
Another,
Another 2 years.
yes, my lord.
But what is to be done?
Without this, without this original certificate, the degree apply for anything, my lord.
Just not drawing your lordship attention to page 97, my lord. Is the order passed by the honorable court, my lord. However, it is made clear that her registration shall be subject to the outcome of the CBI case. Such exercise to be taken and copied within a period of 45 days from the date of the receipt of this. Okay, copy of this order of this code by the number 3 and 5, my lord.
So can we have a similar order? Give the final registration?
No.
Which will be subject to the outcome of CBI.
Yes. That is always there, my lord, and also. So,
Can it not be done like that? It's a conditional. It's not that one final given is final.
No,
This will be subject to the cancellation depending on the outcome of the CBI case.
yes,
If that rider is given,
yes, ma'am.
because we don't know, like you say, 40, 50 witnesses are there
Yeah.
and the trial is going in a snail's pace. Person who has qualified himself. It is not that
Well,
he has wrongly acquired the
Exactly.
qualification.
by wrongly.
Only thing is that the admission to the college,
Yes, ma'am.
that is under cloud, that much
Okay.
only.
That is the subject matter. my
So we're not sending somebody who's not qualified to practice.
Right.
Person is qualified. But only thing is that the entry to that study, that has to be examined, that much only.
Yes,
And for the actually initially I made a prayer before the lordship, my lord. Let the matter be kept pending, my lord, till the final outcome of the CBI case, my lord.
my lord, it is not,
Okay, that would be the best, my lord, best course, my lord.
it is not going to be disposed of soon, my lord.
How?
Lordship in page 38, that is a list of witnesses, my lord, cited by the prosecution.
Page,
Page 38, my lord. The list of witnesses starts from page 36 and it ends at page 38, my lord.
but another aspect is that how many cases are there of this nature? Mr. Das,
My lord.
how many cases are there?
So this is the first case, my lord.
No, madam, they are
No.
also facing, madam.
No.
The Jutitara Das, Oviral Vatsa, others are also facing, madam.
No, because if you come to page 95 and 96, there are 14 doctors,
My lord,
14, including the petitioner.
my lord.
So none of them have come except for the petitioner for final certificate.
No, only this.
You're not aware.
Only this is the case, man.
Jutitara and Oviral, they already got, madam. They are
Hmm?
they are from the university itself, Assam Medical College itself.
Who?
Lordship, I need. Page 95, Lordship is,
No, Jitu Tara has got it.
yes, and Oviral, madam.
Jitu Tara,
Lordship will find the name.
Jyoti Tara,
Yes,
Jyoti Tara Das and Aviral Vatsa.
yes. Serial number 3 and 7, madam, page 95. That a table was given.
Hmm. No, serial number 3 and 7.
Yes, madam.
Two have got it.
Okay.
So 12 people have not got it, including the petitioner. And only the petitioner has come before this court.
Correct.
Where is the list of witnesses?
It starts from page 36, madam, and ends at page 38.
38, 42 witnesses.
Yes, madam. And 42,
And what
madam,
about 35?
any other witnesses, any other witness, evidence, whose evidence would be?
Or 34 to 35 is list of documents.
List of documents, madam.
36 to 38 is the witness.
Mm.
And you say how many people have been examined?
But to my knowledge, 10, madam. 10.
Yes, not sure, my lord. Not sure.
I'll check on-
So you find out, we'll post it again after some time. Please write down. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner, who is said to have completed, this is what she or he, her MBBS, her final MBBS, an internship from Dibrugarh,
Medical College.
from Assam Medical College, Dibrugarh,
Yes, my lord.
has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to issue her the final certificate,
Pass certificate.
final pass certificate. Stop. On the other hand, it is the case of the respondents that the manner in which the petitioner and 13 other students had secured their admission to the university is under cloud, and that there is a CBI case pending. Stop pending disposal of the same. Final pass certificate cannot be issued. So otherwise, the petitioner has been given registration and also issued provisional pass certificate. Next, para learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the in the CBI case, as many as
Page 38.
42 prosecution witnesses have been cited, and out of which roughly about 10 witnesses have only been examined till date. So therefore, completion of the trial would take a long time, and the petitioner, in the meantime, has been deprived of securing a job to earn her livelihood. To stop, he therefore submits that pending final disposal of the CBI case, the petitioner may be issued the final pass certificate, even on conditional basis. Next para. It may be stated herein that according to the university, out of the 14 persons, 2 persons, namely Jyoti Tara Das and Aviral Vatsa, had been given the final pass certificate inadvertently, and that the university is taking steps to take back the said certificate. Stop. On 6/5/2025, court had asked Mr. N.C. Das, learned senior counsel appearing for the Dibrugarh University, to obtain instructions in this regard. And Mr. Das today submits that the university is yet to receive back the certificate, which was inadvertently issued to the 2 persons. Next para, having regard to the submissions made. The parties shall obtain instructions as regard to the progress of the CBI case. What is the case number?
I have
Is it page 22?
My lord, it is a complaint case CR 763/2010.
From where you're saying that?
CR C.R/763/2010.
Page number, from which page?
My lord, it is, I'm checking from the e-court, my lord, registered for the child.
But come to page 22. There is a different number. CR 1183.
That is my lord, Obiral Vatsa and Kumar, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, charge sheet against also the present petitioner was filed by me.
Please read the last line. Case number
And CR/763
CR/763
/2010, 2010.
/2010.
Yes, ma'am.
You are there for the CBI? Okay, what is your say in this?
Lordship, primarily, the legislative commission will be concerned about whether the course has been carried out and be fulfilled by the petitioner, my lord, in due course. So that would be the doubt, my lord, that issuance of a certificate and issuance of degree as well as providing of registration, all my lord created within the domain of respondent number 3 and 5, my lord.
Who's that? 3 and 5. They have given the registration as well as the provisional pass.
Registration has been given, my lord, as a respondent Assam Medical Council. Only, my lord, I'm waiting for my pass certificate, my lord.
Release the matter again after 2 weeks.
1 week, my lord. Like next Thursday, my lord, I'll take the instructions as early as possible, my lord.
Let's start.
Okay, on 1 week, on the date to be fixed by the registry.
Can it be kept as part of, my lord?
No. See, you just simplify your case next time also,
Yes.
isn't it?
Public to learn.
Yeah, good name? Mr. D.K. Boydya, Learned Counsel, appears for respondent number 2. While Mr.
MH, okay, my lord.
M.A. Chaudhary appears for the petitioner. And Mr. N.C. Das, Learned Counsel, appears for the
That's number 5, man.
senior counsel, appears for the respondent number 5.
All right.
Public.
What is this
May,
administrative?
Lordship, my lord.
No, administrative order means. So, but what is this administrative order? Okay. Yes,
My lord, I prayed for 2 weeks' time adjournment on the takeover.
There was changing council in there. They're changing council, my lord.
In this matter, the university has engaged takeover.
K. Gogoi.
And it is be conducted by
On this matter.
R. Majumdar was there. Now he cannot conduct. Your good name?
A for the charity, my lord.
Mr. A. Bhattacharjee appears for the petitioner. And Ms. T. Wabangla, Learned Counsel, submits that Mr. R. Gogoi,
Takeover.
Mr. K. Gogoi has been recently engaged to represent the Dibrugarh University and raise that matter. How much time?
Weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks time to prepare the matter. Media Faba list this matter for hearing after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Offline.
Made one accommodation in this matter, Lordship. Earlier it was CABL, Lordship, and it was subsequently released and.
I am appealing for respondent number 4 here. I am having extreme urgency in this case. Your lordship will kindly appreciate the fact that respondent number 4 was suspended in 2021 and thereafter dismissed in the month of July 2021. Thereafter, there were certain rounds of litigations before this honorable court. Eventually, we were relegated to the educational tribunal for redressal of our grievance. Respondent number 4 filed an appeal before the learned educational tribunal. There were certain documents which we wanted to bring on record. It is our appeal. Those documents have been objected to. And there was an order passed allowing the documents to be incorporated. Against that order, they have come before this honorable court in this writ petition. This matter was heard by my Lord Justice Alice Deming, which eventually did not transpire into an order. Now it is for a rehearing before this honorable court on the strength of administrative order. My Lord, so far the accommodation prayer that has been sought by my learned friend. For today, I would not object. Only prayer is, my Lord fixes this matter on the 19th of August, that is this coming Tuesday. I have had a talk with his senior. Now, he also is okay with the date. On 19th, if your lordship kindly fixes this matter, because I am under extreme urgency. Issue otherwise, the respondent number 4 was serving as the assistant teacher of the school concerned. Now, during her service, she was placed under suspension on the allegation of misconduct. Now, against the order of suspension, she had come before this honorable court once, and there was a direction that she be relegated to the educational tribunal now that the educational tribunal takes up these matters relating to disciplinary proceedings. Now, she went and filed an appeal, educational tribunal appeal, before the learned educational tribunal Kachar over there. And during the pendency of the appeal, she was even put to dismissal. Her service was terminated. Now, thereafter, there was amendment of the appeal and eventually she challenged the order of termination also. Now, thereafter, she prayed before the learned tribunal for calling for certain documents which are in the custody of the school authority, that is the principal, who is the petitioner hearing. Now, to that, there were objections initially. Eventually, the order was passed directing the school authorities to produce those documents in the appeal proceeding. Now, that order has been assailed by the principal, and there is a stay of that particular order.
Order passed by the educational tribunal
Whereby the direction was given to the principal
to produce certain documents.
Which would be relevant for substantiating my stand in the appeal.
Your case is still pending before the tribunal,
Absolutely, my lord.
and they are waiting for the documents.
My lord.
And there's a stay,
There is a stay of that order.
so that has to be examined.
So that is why it is before your lordship for hearing today. I'm only praying that it be taken up on 19th for hearing.
What's the situation? There matters.
And it,
You-
my lord,
you-
otherwise, what I would suggest, they have difficulty on Thursday.
Because my senior is preoccupied on input number 10.
In
Problem is that
in every week, Thursday, there is a difficulty.
Who's your senior?
HK Duster.
Which is with us. Thank you. You'll have to take your chance. There are a few matters listed on that day.
Or may I make another prayer if there is a possibility of that accommodation for me, my lord? May I pray that this matter may be taken up on 19th as a fixed matter at 2 o'clock, my lord, because this is something
No,
that
no.
is.
You make that prayer on that day,
On
not
the morning.
today.
I'll just
don't-
convey this to my learned friend also, that I'll be making that prayer. On that-
Depending on the, it will depend on the court also. I
Right.
don't know what will happen, but
My lord. My lord, I'll make that prayer on that morning,
today I'll not make such kind of orders.
my lord, my lord.
The learned counsel for the parties express urgency in the matter. No, before that, you just cancel that. Okay, not required. Okay, the learned counsels for the parties express urgency in the matter. And having regard to the same, that the matter be listed for hearing on 19th of August 2025.
Also, item number 20, also, I was there outside, also, just coming, also, it was called once. Item, otherwise, also, both the parties are my friends are here, also.
What did they pass? Item 20?
Could you kindly take it? I have also intimated my friend also.
It can be taken up to the lordship. Only on a small point lordship, whether my case is covered by.
You're for finance, finance.
Finance.
Okay.
Today also someone ready because it will take some time because I will have to draw minor's attention to my affidavit, keeping affidavit. But
Okay,
policy
then-
decision,
Then instead of 3 weeks, we'll say after a week.
yes, my
Lordship, we kindly give a fix that also.
I'll not give a date as such. We'll just say after a week, the registry will give a date.
with all.
Cancel the order. As paid for by the parties, list this matter again after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Can it be 2 weeks, minor with all
Lordship,
respect,
but
but
Let it be one in lordship because this is pending since 2022 lordship.
But there's some difficulty, I hope my colleague will understand, my lord. Next
Lordship,
week,
we will
some
not-
medical issues, my lord, I will have to attend, my lord.
Lordship, we can, if my learned friend, I agree, lordship, today this matter can be taken up lordship. Otherwise, buildings are completed lordship. Only lordship, whether this case is covered by the earlier document. That,
Okay, okay, 2 weeks then.
I never
Some-
feel that way, my lord. Lordship is already passed.
So Board Pujari, you prepare next time?
Yes, my lord,
Okay,
absolutely, my lord,
since the other side says a small matter, urgency is there.
yes.
lordship will fix a date lordship.
Registry will fix a date, okay? I'm not fixing any date on my side. They will do it.
All right.
My lord, my lord. I'm so obliged.